Are you tired of minting JPEGs that have absolutely no value, but you still do it anyway, hoping that your paper hands can sell them for a 0.2 ETH profit? Well, fear no more, as this man is here to save the day with utility-driven NFTs called Founders Keys that apparently have so many benefits, it took an hour-long Discord event and gigantic infographics just to explain them.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
But don't worry about all of that, because I'm going to be explaining all of it to you right now. Founders Key is an NFT project by Impact Theory Studios that unlocks VIP access to the future of everything and anything Impact Theory. Now, Impact Theory is a weekly show that explores the mindsets of the world's highest achievers to learn their secrets to success. And Tom Bilyeu is the co-founder and CEO of this studio. And now, let's take a look at his NFT project. 20,000 founder keys are launching as we speak that are broken into 3 tiers with different prices. 2,700 legendary founder keys at 3 ETH, 7,300 heroic founder keys at 1.5 ETH, and 10,000 relentless founder keys at 0.1 ETH. To minimize the potential of an all-out gas war, the drop is structured in 3 different phases. The first being a whitelist pre-sale, the second a public pre-sale, and lastly a Dodge auction. And a Dodge auction is potentially not going to happen because it is possible that the entire keys will be sold out within the first 2 phases. Now remember that the date and time for each of these tier and phases is different, so for the full info, make sure you guys check out their official Discord channel. Now this is not a tutorial video, but I saw a lot of questions about this, so I'm gonna give it a go. Whitelist pre-sales in this case are actually reserved spots for Discord members who signed up through a Google form. I did this myself. The benefit here is that you get 24 hours prior to the public pre-sales to mint the keys without worrying about gas wars. If the gas is high at the start, just wait it out. As for the public pre-sales, this is where the gas wars get ugly because it's on a first come, first served basis until the keys run out. And in the case that there's still keys remaining at this point, we'll start with the Dodge auctions. In the Dodge auctions, we'll begin with the original sales price, with the price dropping every hour to a lower floor until someone picks them up. Now don't forget, the minting will happen on a specific website with the link being sent in the official Discord channel. Howdy sir, I'm coming from the Impact Theory notifications channel and I've got this discounted key link for you. Yo, I said official Discord channel only. So now you're probably thinking, what do you get with each key? Starting with the most basic, the Relentless key awards you with free access like special airdrops and Impact Theory University memberships, early access like getting whitelisted for future NFT drops, exclusive access like physical or virtual merchandise, and key-specific perks like custom avatars. As for heroic keys, you get everything I just mentioned, plus partnership perks like getting whitelisted for partner NFT drops, and discounts for speaking events. I'm guessing like Tom Bilyeu's speaking events. And with the legendary keys, you get all of that plus direct access, which can be things like a 30-minute video call to get help for your business, or a group dinner. Now, all of these perks and benefits we just covered are only scratching the surface of what the team is actually planning for. You see, the team is looking to unlock more perks and benefits for the weeks, months, and years to come. So if you're a paper hand looking to make a quick flip, you might want to look into other projects. I might sound super enthusiastic about this project because I've been watching Tom Bilyeu for a long time and I really like his content. But does that mean that this project is going to do well? We shall find out. Now, of course, all of these are authentic financial advices, so don't DYOR and listen to everything I say. I'll see you guys in the next video.